So I came with my bulb. Oh, it's full. Oh yeah. When it's called pomegranate, I think. Yeah, so this is my sister's. She had two. This one is the smaller one. Hi guys. What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, today I'm wearing this cap because my hair is not that good, but okay, there's some construction going on, so there's some noise there, but I'm at work, and today is 1st of May, Labor Day. It's a public holiday, but now I'm at work because the system went down like yesterday night, so we had to come to work. So we don't have a holiday today. So yeah, it's around 12 p.m 12:20 p.m and I'm at work, and I'll go until maybe 5 as usual because of the issue with the system breakdown or this downtime, because yeah. So also I'm starting it here because I wanted to rant. For like 2 weeks I've not been shooting, and the reason is because at home, at my house, we don't have like electricity. We had electricity the last week Sunday, not the Sunday but the other week, so it's like 2 weeks. And the issue is because it's not stable also. I don't know if they have an issue with the Kenya Power or something, but we don't have internet. I cannot even record any video at my home because it's too dark. My house is very, very dark. So I came with my rechargeable light. I will show you in a moment. I came with it to the office to recharge it. And the funny thing is, we have the apartment like on my floor. It's a story building, so on my floor we don't have internet. It's like flickering. It comes and goes. Right now as I'm speaking, it blew my bulb, so I don't have a bulb. But the upper floor, it has electricity, like stable electricity, but on our floor we don't have internet. We have followed up with the KPLC. I don't know what's going on, but it's funny because it's not like the whole apartment, you see. So I'm charging my rechargeable bulb because that's what I'm using. I'll be using also because also I don't have a bulb, it blew. So that's what's going on, and I don't know how the video will go, but I'm hoping it will be okay. And let me go back to work. Yeah, so today is very busy because our clients are down, so we have to tend to them and make sure the system is okay. But at least right now we have the progress on the system. It's at least we are almost done with the system. It's not very stable, but it's stable. So yeah, we can work with it for now, but by the end of the day it will be okay. So yeah, see you guys. Okay, let me show you. So I came with my bulb. Oh, it's full. Oh yeah. When it's not full, this light, the green light like flickers, but right now it has stopped, so meaning it's full. So I came with it to charge so that when I go back home I will have light. I don't have a bulb right now, it blew. I have to buy another bulb. So see you when I'm back home or when you see me next. So I'm going back to work. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I want to we have not been having electricity for 2 weeks, and then it came yesterday. So I don't know where to start because I think on my previous video I said I didn't have like the bulb here, this one here, okay, here. So it blew and I could not replace it before the electricity was sorted. So it was sorted yesterday but not fully, and I went and bought a new bulb, a bigger one. So I've been afraid to put it up, but right now I have to put it up because it's dark. Even you can see here it's dark. So let me show you what I got yesterday from town, and then I'll fix the bulb. Yeah, guys, because my light blue, I bought this big one, 24 watts. Yeah, it's big. Okay, yes, so this is how it is. I hope it's bright. So this is what I got yesterday, and also I got this coconut oil for my hair. Yes, and then I bought this lotion, aloe vera, and this one, lemon. I wanted to try this, that's why I bought two, but I always use this one. So this one is for trying and see how it works, but I love Nice and Lovely. I'm not advertising, but they are good. To my skin it works better because I have a sensitive skin, but when I use this one it's okay. Yeah, this one it's gel, I did not buy, but yeah. So this is the only things I got from town yesterday, and the main thing was the bulb. Yeah, so let me fix that. You see, it's very small, and then this one is big. So let's see if it's bright. Guys, I'm afraid of electricity, but I've fixed it. So let's see if it will light up. Yeah. You see, so bright. So my house is very, very bright. Yeah, so this one I'll be using this for emergency, because this one is for charging and that one is for, yeah, so it's lighting very well. You see, you can see everything. utensils done, remaining here, and I need to wipe these and clear here. So the mixture here is bleach and washing powder. I want to use this rag or this wiping cloth to wipe here. Yeah, before I'll use the same water to wipe down, but I'll start with wiping there. Here it's clean because last week I did some thorough cleaning, so it's just brushing. So I'm done wiping this. I was not planning, but yeah, it was dirty, so I have to clean. I'll see you when I'm done. So I don't know what happened. Right, my hair, I did it myself. Yeah, that's it. So right now I'm done with everything. I'm done, not everything, but I'm done with cleaning. So I have to arrange my house, and as you can see, the room is bright because of that light there. Yeah, that I installed recently, like 3 days ago. Immediately I installed it that day. You have seen the clip before this one. So I installed it, it worked, but the electricity had an issues, so it went out again, and now this is like 3 days later. Yeah, I removed the bulb because I cannot waste my money because I thought that the electricity was going on and off, so it will blow my bulb, the new one, and I've spent a lot of money on it, buying it, so I was not going to risk it, so I removed it. But today they have fixed the issue, so it's stable, because right now it's like 2 hours after they have sorted the issue, it's not going on and off, so I'm glad. Yeah, so let me show you what I've been up to. I was cleaning, I was doing washing utensils and everything, so everything is clean, even these ones. Yeah, so here we have everything clean, but this side is messy, so I'm not going to show you. So as I was doing cleaning, my food was cooking, and right now I'm done with the food, except frying the beans. I'm cooking beans and rice, so rice is cooked. I am just remaining with frying the beans. Then I eat my supper, because right now it's almost 7 p.m. It's on a Saturday, so tomorrow I'm not going anywhere. I'll be indoors, so I don't have much a hurry to do things, because I'll do them until late tonight, because tomorrow I'm not going anywhere. So let me show you what I'm eating. And also, before I started cleaning, I had gone to the market I had done some shopping, the things that I did not have, so I'll show you shortly. So here is the rice, white rice. Yeah, so okay, let me remove it from here. Then this is the beans. Yeah, the beans, they're just boiled, not I've not fried them. I'll fry later. So let me show you. So I want to show you what I got from the supermarket and the market. This is rice. I've already opened, because this is what I cooked. This is rice. Yes, and then I had 2 tomatoes. Then two different Royco cubes. This one is for beef, and this one, both are for beef, but this one is called Nor cube, and this one is Royco cube. Spice. Then from the supermarket, I got this bleach. You have seen me doing cleaning with this. It's bleach. Then I got this. It's tissue paper. Then I got this. This is wheat flour for chapatis, because I like chapatis. I got tea leaves. Then I got small sugar. This is sugar, like half a kg. It will take me for like a month, because I don't take a lot of sugar. Yes. And then I got these cakes. These cakes, I don't know how they are called, but they are so sweet for breakfast tomorrow and Monday. And then I bought myself some sanitary towels. One, yeah, because I have another one, I think. Then I got this 2 washing powder. Yeah, I love the sunlight. Yes, so this is what I got for this month. I don't have a lot of things to buy. Also, I bought this thing. This one is it's called udi. I think it's Swahili udi. It's used for, it's like a mosquito repellent. So you just light it here, then you can leave it to burn for like this one, this size. It can go for 1 week. So you just let it burn. You will light it, then you put off the light, then it starts removing smoke. So the smoke will be burning until here, okay, maybe until the size you want. Then you just put somewhere, like if you have you do like this, you have a hole somewhere you can put it, then like that, you see. Yeah, so it will just be burning. Or for me, I do like this, I put it here. For me, I put it like this, then I find something heavy and put here, then I light, and it will be going down, the ash will be going down. Yeah, so this is mosquito repellent. So today I don't have much to say, but I'm thankful and I'm grateful for this video and for you supporting me. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me, and if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much. So I'll see you in the next video, and right now I just want to make my supper and then arrange everything that I bought to their rightful places, and then clear my bed because it has clothes that I had washed earlier, and also clear my my chair. Oh, I've forgotten, my dad came yesterday, like he was going at his workplace, and he brought me some few things. Here they are. So one of it, okay, so I have friends, I've eaten some, and I remained with few. It's fruit. This, it's called pomegranate, I think. Yeah, the one that looks like they have seeds inside. They're so yummy when they are ripe. Yeah, so he brought me like around 8. I've shared with my friends, and also I eat myself. And also, where I used to have my sister's blow dryer, but last year she told me, the bigger one, she told me to take it home. So I took it home, but she had given me a smaller one. When I came back from home, from holiday, when I came back, I had forgotten the blow dryer. So I asked my dad to pass by and also bring me the blow dryer, so because I love blow drying my hair myself. So he brought me this. Yeah, so this is my sister's. She had 2. This one is the smaller one, and yeah, my dad brought yesterday. So I'm happy because I love, like, blow drying my hair, because I don't use a lot of heat. So this one will do. So I'm happy. So this is it for today, and thank you so much. See you in the next one.